A dead-end street can be a valuable place to turn around and reevaluate your path. In life, we often encounter situations or endeavors that don't lead us in the direction we hoped for. These dead ends can be discouraging and might make us feel stuck or lost. However, it's essential to remember that dead ends serve a purpose. They show us when a particular route or approach is not the right fit for us. Rather than seeing them as failures, we should view them as opportunities for redirection and growth. When you encounter a dead end, take it as a sign to pause, reflect, and reassess your goals and strategies. Use this moment to gather new information, learn from past experiences, and consider alternative paths. Remember, even when you face setbacks or reach dead ends, your journey is not over. Embrace the challenge, keep an open mind, and use each experience to become a better version of yourself. The world is filled with opportunities and challenges, but it's up to you to seize them and build something extraordinary. Don't let the dreams of others overshadow your own. You have a unique purpose, a vision that only you can bring to life. Don't be content with merely existing or working to fulfill someone else's dreams. You have the potential to create something remarkable, something that leaves a lasting legacy in the annals of time. Fear not failure, for it is a stepping stone on the journey to success. Embrace the challenges and setbacks, for they will shape your character and sharpen your resolve. Learn from them and press forward, undeterred by the obstacles in your path. Be the captain of your fate, and let your passion guide you. Build the life you envision, brick by brick, and let your dreams be the foundation upon which you stand. Remember, the world is full of dreamers and doers. Which one will you be? If you want to make your dreams a reality, you must be awake and fully present in every moment. Dreams are not achieved by wishful thinking alone. They demand action and dedication. Too often we get lost in the realm of daydreams, imagining the life we want without taking the necessary steps to get there. The key to success is to wake up from those dreams and face reality with determination. Set clear goals for yourself and break them down into actionable steps. Create a plan and be prepared to adapt it as you progress. It won't always be smooth sailing, but perseverance and resilience are your allies on this journey. Stay focused and disciplined. Avoid distractions that pull you away from your purpose. Surround yourself with those who support and encourage your ambitions. Remember, the path to success is not a smooth one. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way. But do not be discouraged. Each hurdle is an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to become stronger. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Belief is the foundation upon which great achievements are built. It gives you the courage to take risks, to persevere in the face of challenges, and to keep pushing forward when the going gets tough. With the right mindset and self-assurance, you can conquer even the most daunting tasks. There will be moments of doubt and uncertainty along the way, but remember that these are natural parts of the journey. Embrace them as opportunities for growth and learning. Keep reminding yourself of your potential and the progress you've already made. Break down your goals into smaller, achievable steps and tackle them one by one. Celebrate each milestone and let your belief in yourself fuel your determination to reach the next one. As you move forward, trust in your abilities and stay focused on your destination. Believe that you can overcome any obstacle and achieve greatness. Keep going, soldier, and believe in yourself every step of the way. You've got this. Indeed, my friend, changing your destination may take time and effort, but changing your direction is something you can do right now. Life's journey is not always linear, and sometimes we find ourselves heading in a direction that no longer serves us. When you realize that you're not on the right path, don't be discouraged. Instead, be empowered by the knowledge that you have the ability to change course. It's never too late to make a shift, to choose a new direction, and to set yourself on a path that aligns with your true desires and aspirations. Changing direction doesn't mean giving up on your dreams or abandoning your goals. It's about being adaptable and open to new possibilities. Take a moment to reflect on your current path and ask yourself if it's leading you where you want to go. If not, don't be afraid to make adjustments. Embrace the courage to chart a new course, even if it means stepping into the unknown. The prize we seek, whether it's a personal goal, a professional achievement, or a life-changing dream won't simply come knocking on our door. We have to actively pursue it day after day and strive to become better versions of ourselves in the process. There will be obstacles and setbacks along the way, but those who are willing to push through and keep going are the ones who will taste the sweetness of victory. It's not about waiting for luck or chance to favor us. It's about taking charge of our destinies and creating opportunities through our actions. So, my friend, let ambition be your starting point, but let hard work and determination be your guiding principles. Embrace the challenges, learn from the failures, and use them as stepping stones to reach new heights. Remember, you have the power to shape your own future. The prize you seek is within your reach, but it's up to you to seize it. With ambition, work, and the will to succeed, you can turn your dreams into reality and claim the rewards you deserve. We all have plans, dreams, and expectations for our lives. Whether it's finding a purpose, protecting those we care about, or simply striving for a peaceful existence. But life rarely adheres to our scripted path. It's unpredictable, throwing obstacles in our way when we least expect it. Just like this battlefield, life can be harsh and unforgiving. Sometimes, our best-laid plans are shattered, leaving us feeling lost and disheartened. But that's precisely when we must find the strength within ourselves to adapt, to embrace the changes life throws at us. Accepting that the life we had envisioned might not be the life we end up living is not a sign of defeat. It's an acknowledgement that we're capable of more than we ever imagined. Whether it's on the battlefield or in life, it's essential to be flexible and open-minded. Embracing the unknown and facing it with courage and resilience will lead us to paths we never knew existed. Life is not a passive search for who you are. It is an active pursuit of who you can become. It's not about simply finding yourself. It's about creating yourself. You are not defined by the circumstances or limitations that surround you. You have the power to shape your own destiny, to forge your own path. Take hold of that power and embrace the responsibility that comes with it. It won't always be easy. There will be obstacles and setbacks along the way. But remember, it's in facing those challenges head-on that you truly discover your strength and resilience. Embrace the process, learn from your mistakes, and keep pushing forward. You have within you untapped potential and endless possibilities. Believe in yourself and your ability to create the life you desire. Surround yourself with those who inspire and support you, but ultimately, take ownership of your own growth and development. To achieve quality in our work, relationships, and personal endeavors, we must hold ourselves to high standards and strive for excellence regardless of external pressures or recognition. Whether we are working on a project, completing a task, or interacting with others, doing things right means taking pride in our efforts and paying attention to the details that might be overlooked by others. Maintaining a commitment to quality ensures that we produce our best work, act with integrity, and continuously improve ourselves. This mindset also extends to how we treat others, how we handle challenges, and how we approach our personal growth. In a world where shortcuts and compromises may tempt us, choosing quality means staying true to our values and principles. It fosters trust, respect, and admiration from others, and it helps build a foundation of excellence that can lead to greater opportunities and success. Rather than fixating on the end goal of success, focus on the journey itself. Engage in activities and pursuits that ignite your passion and bring you joy. Pour your heart and soul into what you love, and success will naturally follow as a byproduct of your dedication and commitment. Remember that success is not a predefined destination. It is a reflection of the fulfillment and satisfaction you derive from doing what you love. Strive to make a positive impact, not only on your life, but also on the lives of others. When you follow your heart, your genuine efforts will touch those around you, and success will become a shared experience. So, my friend, do not aim solely for success as an end in itself. Rather, let your passion and belief drive you towards the pursuit of what you love. Embrace the journey with an open heart, and success will find its way to you naturally. Trust in yourself and your abilities, and the path ahead will lead you to extraordinary heights. The future is a vast unknown, filled with possibilities and challenges. It is natural to feel apprehensive about what lies ahead, but dwelling on that fear can prevent us from making the most of the present. Time is a finite resource, and every moment we spend worrying about the future is a moment lost in the present. As warriors, we know that preparation and planning are essential, but they should not consume us entirely. Do not let fear paralyze you or prevent you from taking action. Face the future with courage, knowing that you are doing your best today to create a brighter tomorrow. Each day presents a new opportunity to learn, grow, and make a positive impact. Embrace every moment as a chance to move closer to your goals and overcome the obstacles that lie ahead. Trust in your abilities and the training you've received to face the challenges that may come. So, my friends, do not let fear of the future consume you. Recognize that we fear the future because we are wasting today. In a world that often prioritizes immediate results and instant gratification, it is essential to remember that true success and fulfillment come from the efforts we put forth and the positive actions we take. By concentrating on the seeds we plant, our efforts, intentions, and actions, we can cultivate a life that aligns with our values and goals. Not all seeds will blossom overnight, but with patience and consistency, they have the potential to grow into something extraordinary. Some seeds may yield quick rewards, while others may require months or even years of nurturing before we see the fruits of our labor. However, every seed we sow contributes to our personal growth, enriches our experiences, and influences the lives of others. So let us approach each day with purpose and intention, knowing that the seeds we plant today will shape our future and the world around us. Let us not be disheartened by the immediate results, but stay committed to our journey, trusting that every effort counts. Life is ever-changing, and sometimes we have to accept that certain things are beyond our control. Instead of fixating on what is gone, it is crucial to focus our energy on the present and the future. We must adapt, adjust, and move forward with resilience and determination. There is a danger in becoming consumed by what is lost, soldier. It blinds us to the opportunities and possibilities that lie ahead. Instead of clawing back what is lost, shift your focus to what you still have and what you can build upon. Cherish the memories and lessons from the past, but understand that your future lies in the choices you make today. Embrace the power of letting go, soldier. Free yourself from the burdens of the past and the futile pursuit of what cannot be reclaimed. Open yourself to new possibilities, new adventures, and new victories. Life is a constant flow, soldier. Sometimes we lose, but that loss can be a catalyst for growth and transformation. While others may give up when faced with difficulties, you must find the resilience to press forward. Embrace the struggle as an opportunity for growth and learning. Let it fuel your determination to reach higher and go further. Success is not solely reserved for the gifted or the lucky. It's a destination that anyone can reach with unwavering commitment and tenacity. When others quit, keep pushing ahead, for you never know how close you are to achieving your goals. Believe in yourself and trust your abilities. Cultivate a mindset of perseverance, and don't let temporary setbacks deter you from your ultimate vision. Keep your eyes fixed on the prize and your heart set on your dreams. So, my friend, embrace the challenges that come your way. Embrace the uncertainty and embrace the discomfort. Hold on when others have let go, and you'll find yourself reaching heights you never thought possible. Every moment, every encounter, and every challenge has the potential to teach you valuable lessons and shape you into a stronger individual. It's not about the time spent, but rather about how you choose to utilize that time and the lessons you extract from it. Reflect on the past and the lessons it has taught you. Take those experiences and apply them to your present and future endeavors. Learn from your mistakes, adjust your course, and keep moving forward with determination and resilience. Whether you succeed or stumble, whether you achieve your goals or face unexpected challenges, remember that it's all part of your journey. Every experience, whether positive or negative, contributes to your personal growth and development. Don't dwell on the past or worry about what could have been. Focus on the present, learn from your experiences, and make wise decisions that will shape your future. Remember, nothing is a waste of time if you choose to use the experience wisely. When the storm clouds gather and the rain starts to fall, it's easy to feel overwhelmed or discouraged. But remember this: you are not defined by the storms that come your way. You are defined by how you respond to them. In the face of adversity, find your inner strength and resilience. Draw upon the lessons you've learned, the skills you've honed, and the support of those around you. Dance with confidence, knowing that you have the power to navigate through any storm that comes your way. They are meant to shape you, to push you beyond your limits, and to reveal the depth of your character. Embrace them as opportunities for growth and personal development. Let your indomitable spirit shine through and inspire others with your resilience and courage. Together, we can turn every storm into a chance for growth and transformation. Now go out there and dance in the rain, soldier. Embrace the challenges, seize the opportunities, and make the most of every moment. Attention, viewer. As the Master Chief, I have a simple request for you. If you have found value, inspiration, or enjoyment in the video you are currently watching, I kindly ask for your support. Sharing is a powerful act that allows ideas to spread, messages to reach a wider audience, and communities to come together. So, if this video has resonated with you, if it has stirred something within your heart, I encourage you to share it with others. Whether it's through social media, word of mouth, or any other means available to you, your simple act of sharing can make a significant difference. It can reach those who may need this message the most, those who are searching for guidance, motivation, or a renewed sense of purpose. Remember, we are not alone in this journey. Together, we can create a ripple effect that transcends boundaries and brings people together in pursuit of a better tomorrow. So, my friend, if you appreciate the video you are watching, I humbly ask for your support. Share it with others, and let us ignite the flames of inspiration and change within the hearts of many. Together, we can make a lasting impact on the world we share.